This video is about how I do my keyword research. I analyze my top 10 competitors for every keyword. I learned this process from HubSpot's business blogging course, Lesson 2, Video 3. This course tells you exactly how to analyze your competitors. For me, I read through all of my top 10 competitors' articles. I write down things I like about them and things I think they can improve on, and also some other notes. By other notes, I mean their keywords, layout, tonality, and the images they use. After analyzing my competitors, I close down my computer and see what topics or ideas I can come up with myself. Here I use a blank notebook. Lines and dots just distract me, so I need a blank slate to start with. Blank notebooks can be hard to find sometimes, so if you can't find one, you can get this brown, soft-cover notebook. It's on Amazon. Completely blank, super affordable, and beautiful. On my notebook, I write down the blog post title, my audience, and the keywords from my research. By keywords, I mean the headings my competitors use. Yes, you'd have to copy down every heading. And from the list of these headings, now it's time to vote. If I see a heading or a word appears in 2 or 3 articles, I give it a vote. After voting, it's time to move to the real keyword research. I use Google Ads Keyword Planner. It's completely free and very easy to use. I click on Discover New Keywords. I remove my country's name. I then type in my keyword. The reason why I remove my country's name is because I want to see the global search volume and competition level of a keyword. Here's the rule that I use. I only use keywords that have 10,000 or more monthly search volume, and the competition has to be low. If a keyword doesn't meet these 2 criteria, I don't use it. Instead, I use an alternative keyword in the Keyword Ideas section. If nothing in the Keyword Ideas section meets these 2 criteria, go to Google, type in the original keyword. Try to type in a letter, space, before the keyword, or space, a letter, after the keyword. See what keyword ideas Google gives you. Write them down. Go to Google Ads Keyword Planner and test if these words are low in competition and high in monthly search volume. Next, after all my beautiful, tested keyword ideas, I need to further narrow them down. Why? Because I only want to write about keywords that I can write about and I'd like to write about. At the end, I only have 5 keywords left. And these 5 keywords will transform into my 5 body paragraphs. That concludes how I do my keyword research. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell. In my next video, I will talk about how I transform my keywords into my body paragraphs.